What's up guys, welcome back to the Phono Guy, and in this video I am going to talk about top 10 hidden camera features for P20 Lite. So without any further ado, straight away let's get started. And you can see right now we have the camera on the screen. You can see we have this moving photo. What it does whenever you take a photo, let me just take one photo to show you, and just go back in the gallery, and let's just press this button on the top right. Let me just press it once, and you can see the photo actually moves. It records a clip of a video. Actually, it records a video when you are taking a photo, so whenever you just reload it, it comes back, and you can just use this depth effect and wide aperture features which everybody knows. So actually I just want to make highlight of some very useful features which are present on the left side scroll. You just scroll from the left side to the right, and you have this pro mode, and by which you can just simply make your photos look very great. You can control the exposure and even the shutter speed. Many different things can be controlled from here, and you can learn. There are videos available on the internet which show how to use this pro mode. Actually this is very lengthy procedure, so I am not just demonstrating. You can check those videos on the internet. So we have this pro mode in the video too. You can see I am just using it and just trying to demonstrate few of the things. So we have quite a few features which are new to this device. So for example, this is actually the watermark option, and you can see we have different watermarks available. You can just choose the right side to go to the right side, and left side you can check. We have different watermarks available, so whenever you are taking the photo, the watermark will just appear on the screen. Let me just show you. You can see if I choose any watermark which are available, for example we just choose a different one. Let me just select one. For example, we just choose this one and take a photo and go into the gallery, and you can see the photo will just appear with this watermark. So that's a very great feature which is just introduced into this UI. So next up you have this document scan feature. You just place your document here and turn on this feature. It will just scan the document and take a beautiful picture of that. So that's also a great feature. Now scroll right, and you have different set of options. So firstly we have enabled the tap to take picture. You can see I just tapped and the photo is taken, and this is a quite useful feature. And next up you can just control different things. You just speak cheese and it takes photos for you by just allowing the audio controls. And next up if you just scroll to the right and just allow this feature, the ultra snapshot. What it does, it actually allows you to take a very quick photo. If you are in hurry to take a photo, you just have to press this power button to take the photo. I will just demonstrate it shortly. So go into the camera and turn on this feature, and let's just see how to use this feature now. And let's turn off the phone, and let me just press this power button, and you can see it takes this photo in 1 second. So that's a very quick way to take the photos by ultra snapshot. Enabled it in the camera settings, and just lock the device, and if you are in a hurry, just press this button and it takes photo before a second passes. That's a very cool useful feature which is available to use in P20 Lite. Finally, I just want to highlight few of the features. Just go again the scroll right side, and you can just control the volume buttons differently. You have different options. You can see you can use it to just zoom in, and if I just select it for zooming in, you can see we are just zooming in. That's a great feature to use. And next up I just want to show you how to touch and hold the shutter icon. That's also a great feature. If you just choose it for the shutter speed, you just press this camera button, and it takes multiple photos at a successive rate, which is almost 30 photos it takes. So that's it guys. These were all the tips and tricks of Huawei P20 Lite, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then give this video a thumbs up, and up till next video, bye bye and peace.